All right, got some more of these 8-inch shells in. These are the Juggernaut. They're all color. They come in a 6-pack. We're gonna do things a little bit different. We're still gonna break them open, but not gonna show the comp like usual. But we are gonna, take them apart, unbox them a little bit, see just how they come, how they're packaged. This is what we're looking at. 6 shells. I've already weighed them all, so I already know which one I'm gonna pull apart. Average, they're like 162, and there's actually one that is 162. This is the tube that it comes in. Get rid of that stuff. So it's going to be number 6. Where's that one at? And just to verify that we're at 262 roughly. 262.8, so perfect. So just get this going here. Pull off the fuse like usual. .6. Get to the burst here, or the lift. Looking at 13.6, so it's a healthy amount of lift. That's good to see. Pop the cap off here. Got about 1.25 inches. Totally normal. Get rid of that because we're not going to use it. I know. Break out the clay here so we can get into them so you can see what's in them. Cardboard disc out. Do another cardboard disc. Let's get rid of that clay really quick. All right. That's what's in it. I'll put it on the list. We can go from there. Demo to come.